Hello everyone, you're welcome once more again to MEPH. Today we have a problem on the board that says make T the subject of the equation K equals to M plus square root T minus P divided by R. So we are going to solve this step by step. Now the first thing we want to remove M, okay, at the what? Right hand side. So remove M at the right hand side. By doing what? So we are going to divide both sides, okay, by what? M. So I have K divided by M is equals to M divided by M square root T minus P all over R. This will enable us to cancel out the M so that we are left with what? K divided by M is equals to square root T minus P divided by what? R. So that's our first step. Now I haven't gotten the first step, which is this. Now the next thing is, what are we going to remove? Is it at the right hand side or at the left hand side? Okay, the next thing we want to remove in this case is we are going to remove this sign, the square root sign, called it square root. How do you remove it? Remove it at the right hand side, okay, by what? Taking what? Square on both sides. So how do we take square on both sides? I'm going to take the square here and I'm going to take the square here. That's how to take square on both sides. So if I take the square here and I take the square here, we are going to remove the what? The square root. Alright, so let's work that out and see what we are going to get. Alright, so the square of this will be K over M multiply K over M. Now square root means what? In indices, the square root sign means the power what? Half. This square root sign means power half. So multiply by what? 2 here. So K times K will give us what? K square. All over M times M will give us what? M square. This is because these two can cancel out, these two is 1, 1. So we are left with T minus P divided by R. So at this point, what are we going to look out for and remove? Now I can see that we can remove our what? Denominator, R. Now how do we remove R? So multiply both sides by what? R. So I'm going to multiply this by R. I'm also going to multiply this by R. So R times K square will give me R K square all over M square. R will cancel out, R here is 1, 1. So we are left with T minus P at the what? Right hand side. Now how do we remove minus P? So we have add P to both sides. We are going to add P to both sides. So here I'm going to have R K square all over M square plus P over 1. P over 1 still means P. So here I have T minus P plus P. Of course, this we know is 0. So it means we are now left with what? Just T. Remember, the question says we should make T what? The subject of the formula. So at this side, we have what? T minus 0. And at the left hand side, we have ROK square all over M square plus what? P over 1 equals T plus 0. Okay. So which we have this as what? t plus 0 is t. So for this, we are going to simplify this. Remember, I have arrow k square all over m square plus p over 1. You can leave this as your answer, but since it's a fraction, we are going to work it out. So we are going to solve this with times this. This is one method of solving fractions. So my t will be 1 times what? Arrow k square. So 1 times this plus what? I have this times this. Okay, so we'll be having p times m square. So this is going to multiply this. And finally, this, the denominators will multiply. So I have m square times 1. So our final answer to this problem will be t is equals to 1 times arrow k square is arrow k square. P times m square will be plus pm square divided by m square times 1 is what? M square. So this gives us our final answer to this problem. Alright guys, hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell, leave a comment if you have any comment in the comment section below, and share this video to your friends and loved ones. Bye. See you in my next video.